in front of the DJI store on 5th Avenue in Manhattan, and those guys are at it again. Morning. Wow, they got everything here. Everything that you could be looking for. From the Flip to the Mini to the big boy Mavic. Here we go. Mavic 4 Pro. What else they got on the table? Welcome. Yeah, Vada 2. Welcome. How's it going?
Good, man.
Long time no see, man. How you been?
Yeah.
All right. You know what I wanted to check out? The Avata 2. If you guys
Neo.
Oh, yeah, Neo 2, yeah. Neo 2 with the, I guess was just the battery.
Okay. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, we have it in stock. I can even demo it for you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Action Cam, Action City over here.
Jokingly tell people it's China has the ability, I should say DJI has the ability to have aliens in the basement coming up with some technology that I don't know how they're doing what they're doing, but they're doing it.
You know, I was checking out the guy there from what company was that? Brink. And Brink was saying that they can turn out one drone a day, or they can produce up to a drone every 1.5 hours, and DJI is still beating them.
Wow. I can believe that. I believe that. But yeah, man, this thing is insane. I'm not into follow me drones. It's kind of cool.
Okay.
You know, my stuff is like high landscape, so I don't need to be in the shot. But this thing, the fact that I can control it with my hands is insane. Not only can I see a readout right on the screen.
Oh, okay.
It's got obstacle avoidance all the way around. I can change the modes, just like the original one.
Right.
But it's more detailed information here, which I can still use my phone, but I don't have to.
I got
But
you.
once I do this, this we know, but you notice it's quieter, a little bit lower frequency. But now the fact that I can do this and control it with my hands is insane.
Wow.
So now I can not have to pull out my phone. I can literally say, all right, yeah, you know what, I want it right about there. Now it's locked. That's crazy. And its ability to follow me is super accurate.
Wow.
And when I'm done, the Neo 1, it was a problem to get it back to land in your hand. Now I just got to do this wherever it is, and it's going to come back. But the fact that it's so much quieter is very impressive.
That's crazy.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, man.
$200, $299? That's insane.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So yeah, man, it is what it is. We're here.
All right.
We're getting product. We have an exclusive channel to get inventory.
You know what's crazy? I used to deal with this store from when they were over on Broadway.
Yeah.
And then they had the store in Paramus, and I think they had the repair shop on 40-something Street. So I used to do them from back with the Phantom 3 days.
Wow, yeah, same people.
Yeah.
Same people, they just moved location, closed down the New Jersey spot, and this is it.
I got my, what was that, the Phantom V2 from them, and the Mini 3 Pro.
Wow, yeah. Yeah, man, same owners, same connection, so he's been in the game long enough to have the right connection, so.
All right.
You know, we're just gonna play along, man. Let me go get that product. So you want the single battery, correct?
Yes, thank you. Okay. Now the setup with the goggles is going for what?
So there's the option that includes the goggles, I believe. Let me just verify before I misquote you, because the prices are constantly changing a bit. With the goggles included, but you're only going to get the goggles N3. You have to get the goggles 3 separately. But with the goggles, you're looking at $639.
Okay.
That includes 3 batteries, the charging hub, the drone, the motion controller, and the goggles.
Gotcha.
And it also includes, since DJI is not allowing you to purchase it online, you can't get the care refresh. But we are implementing our own guarantee here at the store.
Okay.
That will include 1 year of coverage. That will include 2 accidents where you pay same concept, pay a replacement fee, and you can get it repaired or replaced. Up to 70% if it's completely smashed, but you can retrieve it. You still get a replacement. Only for a year for now, but it does not cover flyaways. But
Gotcha.
a little bit of something, some kind of people.
I'm kind of doing a giveaway on the channel.
Oh, okay.
So I was gonna give it away. I don't know if they purchase Care Refresh for somebody else.
So how it works is because it's tied into the serial number, it doesn't matter. So once you give it away to whoever is lucky enough to receive it,
Okay.
all they have to do is just come in with it, show the serial number, and it'll be covered.
Okay.
So it's tied to the serial number, not the client.
Got you.
Yeah. So that's a good thing, but that's good. Giveaway, that's nice. Tell me about that, the giveaway that you have going on.
We wanna try to give away this and maybe some accessories and stuff like that on the channel.
Nice. All right.
This is Christmas, you know, some stocking stuffers.
That's a good way to do it, man.
Stocking stuffers, maybe a little something to go under the tree.
Very nice. That's a nice concept. I like that. All right.
What is the cheapest one you got?
Together for you guys. The care plan is included. It's called DJI NYC Care Plan.
Okay.
What about this one?
$299 with the taxes.
That's this.
So what is that?
This is the receiver and the lamp.
What about it? Oh, can I? Well, how do I charge them? Because that thing, what does that do?
It's a case for you to keep.
No, so for me, it's 5 pouches.
Well, I got it. And that was our time at the DJI Store on 5th Avenue. Fun day, fun day, fun day.
Yeah, I
nice
agree.
morning. Gotta get back. Gotta get back. A lot of things to do. A lot of work to get done. And anything you want to say?
Be safe, fly safer.
And that was our time, like I said, at the DJI Store. And I'll see you next time with those guys.